tell me about your Chevy.
55 Chevy.
What's under the hood?
502.
Man, it's clean. Let me get some good footage of it. Hey, tell me about your rat rod.
It's a 31 Ford with a small block Chevy engine with an 871 blower, two 4-barrel carburetors on it, and a 3-speed, 350 3-speed, and I love to ride it.
Man, it's cool. Hey man, tell me about your hot rod.
It's a 39 Chevy Coupe, LS1, overdrive, loaded.
Hey, tell me about this beautiful truck of yours.
It's a 1950 Chevy 3100. It's got a 350 engine, automatic transmission, 700R, overdrive, air conditioned. It's good to go, travel anywhere.
And it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Hey, tell me about this beautiful Nova.
Well, it wasn't like this when I bought it, because it took me 5 years to get it to look like this, and we're not even gonna talk money.
I guess not. Tell me about that engine.
Well, the engine is what they call a 383 stroker, which is a 350 board and stroke, and it's got only 460 horsepower. So it moves a little over pretty good. So nothing.
Man, I tell you, it's clean. Hey man, tell me about the Spider truck.
Well, it's the Widow 2002 Chevy Silverado. This is the second build. One paint job, same color as factory. Bought it at Service Chevrolet. All the kids love it. The police sirens, police lights, stereo system, and we bring it to as many shows as we can.
It's cool, man.
Thanks, James.
Hey man, tell me about your cool car.
It was my dad's car back in 1970, and he sold it to me for $1. And because he couldn't drive anymore, so I ended up taking it, refurbishing it, and brought it back to its old farmer glory. And now I love it. It drives like a go-kart and runs like stock.
Nice. Man, it's great.
Thank you.
Hey man, tell me about your hot rod.
That's a 1940 Ford. It's a rat rod with 350 with small cam, power glide. It rides good, you know, just enjoy the hell out of it, you know.
Man, it's tough. Hey, tell me about your Opel.
Well, it's a 1970 Opel GT. They made them from 68 to 73. They were brought in and sold at the Buick dealerships. This is my second one. The first one I had was when I was 17. It was a little red one. And I always wanted another one, so I finally talked my wife into letting me get one.
Man, it's great.
Well, thank you, buddy.
1965 Pontiac Le Mans. It's got a little over 80,000 original miles on it. It's all original pretty much there.
Man, that's cool.
Thank you.
And wait, slow down. Go ahead. I know you're anxious.
Hey, tell me about your truck.
Well, it's a 1949 Chevy pickup that's been customized. I built it myself, every nut and bolt. Body work, I have Cadillac tail lights on the back end. I think it's 35 or something like that. Grill inserts right here and all that. It's a 350 with a 700R.
Man, what a great project. Let me walk around it real quick.
All right.
Hey man, tell me about your Chevelle.
1971 Chevelle. It's got a 383 stroker, which is a 350 that's bored and stroked to 383 cubic inches, has 700 R4 overdrive transmission and 411 gears.
Man, it's cool. Hey man, tell me about your hot rod.
1972 Duster Plymouth. Got a slant 6 air-conditioned power steering, all original.
Man, it's cool.
All original.
Hey, tell me about your handmade car.
Okay, it started in 2019, the end of 2019. It's still not completely finished yet.
Okay.
And it's basically a 1901 horseless carriage replica, inside of horseless carriage. The framework come off a wrought iron post that was in my front porch of my house. I took them off and been saving them and used them for this.
Nice, man.
Engine to Briggs and Stratton.
Great project. Good work. Hey, tell me about this Corvette.
This is a 2002 convertible. A lot of firemen and police guys know this is the 911 Vet because I have a nephew who tells them about it because he's a fireman. And they call it the 911 Vet because this particular vet rolled off the assembly line on September 11th, 2001. And I've got documented proof of that.
Man, it's great. Hey, tell me about your hot rod.
This is a 1931 Model A Ford. Total rebuild, frame up.
Hey, tell me about your Mustang.
It's a 1970 fastback. It's not a Mach 1. It's a clone, but she's a runner.
I like it.
Thank you.
A 1969 Camaro Z28. It's unrestored. Bought it in Kentucky about 12 years ago. 75,000 original miles on it. Original numbers matching, motor, transmission, everything in it. You know, front to back. And it stays in the shed most of the time. Take it out here and there. That's about it.
Man, it's cool.
Thank you.
Hey, tell me about this cool hot rod.
The 1931 Ford sedan. I built the whole car. Come out of a barn. That's how I built the car. It's in memory of Big Jack.
All right, on to the next car. Tell me about your truck.
Well, this is Erlene's truck. This is a 1973 Chevy C10. It belonged to her brother. He died in a drowning accident 2 weeks after he had it. So Erlene and I took the truck and we restored it like he would have liked it done.
Man, that's cool. Hey, tell me about this cool truck of yours.
It's a 1971 Chevy C10.
Man, it's clean.
Oh, it's a good time.
this cool 57 Chevy?
All right, it's 57. It's got 106,000 miles, and my pop gave me this car when I was in 2000.
Man, it's cool.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Tell me about this Bug.
That's a 1974 Bug. Bought it about a few months back. I bought it from my brother-in-law. He had it for 22 years. And he only put 2,000 miles on in 22 years. So I bought it from him, and I'm playing around with it now. So anyway.
Man, it's great.
Thank you.
Hey, tell me about this cool Camaro.
Hi, 67 RS, first generation.
Man, it's cool.
Thank you so much. Enjoy.
Come on, get in there.
All right. This right here is my beloved 1968 Stingray. It took me 40 years to find this car because it took me 40 years to find one I could afford.
Hey, tell me about this cool Camaro.
It's a 78 Z28 Camaro. It's all pretty much stock except for the T-tops on it, it's aftermarket T-tops. Been having it about a year now.
That's great, man.